Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see that how we can use Amazon Q CLI to build the real-time application, Python code or the Terraform code. So we have already installed the Amazon Q CLI on our Mac. So you can refer this blog. Already I put it the screenshot and the other commands. And today we are going to see that how we can build a Node.js application from scratch. So let's go to our terminal, okay, and let's type here q hyphen help. Okay, so it will prompt you the popular sub commands of the queue. Let's use q chat command. So if I press q chat and we will ask him, could you build a Docker image for the Node.js application in the folder. Let me maximize this in the folder project 4 and let's press enter. Now you can see that Amazon Q detect that uh, project folder does not exist, so it's asking me to create it. Okay, so if you want to create the project for folder, so enter Y to run this tool. So if I press Y, so now it is executing the mkdir-p command to create the project 4 folder. Now whatever the required files to run the Node.js application, he will add it. So press Y again. Now press Y again. He added the app.js file, a simple hello world code, and here you can see that he is also added the Docker file here. Now added the .docker ignore file. Yeah, now we can see that he created the basic Node.js application with the Express server. Okay, and now if I navigate to a project, let me press exit. Now to exit it, so before exiting, he shown the that how we can build the Docker image and how we can run that image. Okay, so let's do slash quit, and if I do uh, project 4, press enter. Now we will open this in our VS code. Now let's open terminal. Now if I click here, we can see that all the files have been added in our project 4 folder. Now we have all the required files to build our Node.js application. So let's ask again qchat, help me with command to build Docker image. Press enter. Now he's reading the Docker file. Now he has given the all the suggestion and the command. Okay, press enter, slash quit, and do docker build -t. So -t is for tagging the image name, and dot is for because my Docker file is present on the root directory. Now we will run this image. after the successfully build of our Docker image for the Node.js application. So now let's verify Docker image. Now you can see that Node.js uh, image is present. Now let's run this image. -p 3000 is my application is running, and 3000 is my uh, user port, and let's press enter. Now we can see the server is running on the port 3000. So let's do localhost, press enter. You can see that our application is successfully running. Now we will going to see the best feature of Amazon Q is Q translate. Sometimes we forget the exact command to use it, right? So which can convert the plain English into the proper bash command. So let's go to a terminal. Let's type here Q translate and type here help me to find total size. Let's go to our CD project 4 and type here Q translate help me to find total size of the current folder, press enter. You can see that it will give the option called execute command. So now you can see that Amazon Q suggested the correct bash command, which is du-sh. So it is simple and powerful. So that's it for today's video, where we have explored the Amazon Q CLI to build a Node.js application containerized with the Docker. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.